Nobody has ever measured, not even poets, how much love the heart can hold. It is an emotional moment in the lives of two individuals whom have chosen to commit themselves to one another, along with all the beauty that marriage brings. This is their story, and it's a good one. Chris told Sasha he loved her on June 22nd, 2007, and the two have been inseparable since then.
Sash, we've been together for 11 years. I know we've always told each other we were already married just because of how long it's been, but standing in front of you and seeing how beautiful you are in your wedding dress in front of all these people we love, it finally hit me and made me realize I'm about to become the luckiest man by marrying you today.
I can't wait to see what the future holds. I can't wait to watch little elements running around and see how many more dogs we can fit inside a New York City apartment. I can't wait to grow old with you and look back one day on the beautiful life we built. I love you so much, Chris.
Love is real. When love is passion, when love is heartfelt, it becomes unbreakable. Sasha and Chris, through 11 years of ups and downs, were always steadfast and came through it all. The love they share is pure.
Your love is seriously infectious, and it really can brighten the darkest room in the universe, especially mine. When I was at my darkest, you were there with that unconditional love and faith in me to pick me up when I most needed it. There's no way I could have become a better man if I haven't had you pushing for me, fighting for me, and loving for me.
It's my special honor to pronounce you, Chris and Sasha, husband and wife, today, tomorrow, and forever. Chris, you may kiss your bride